Hello and welcome. We are going to do mix today, and it's yeah. So it's going to be yeah. And let's start up. We're going to start up nice and high. Okay, I might go up and then back down again. This is not full chest. It's a mix. It's a mix of the lower chest voice with falsetto or head. Notice it's different than yay. Yay is chest voice, yes. But this is yeah. Kids in the schoolyard going, hey, yo, give me my ball. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. 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 You're on your own. Now it's going to go into chest. Yeah. Low note. Yeah. Now I'm in chest. Yeah. Yeah. Gentlemen, keep going. Yeah. Keep it bright. Keep the mouth open. Ladies. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now on the yeah, don't close. If you have a tendency to grip at the very end, yeah, and then you squinch it in right about here in order to end it. Don't do that. Let it fly. Yeah. Stay open. Yeah. Don't go yeah. Don't close it and don't end it. Okay, let's go up here again. And I'm going to go up and then down. I told you. Golly gee. Here we go. Yeah. 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 Abs out. Yeah. Back down. Keep the body up, mouth open. Keep open. Yeah. Lift up off the roof. Yeah. Way in the back. Yeah. Coming out right here. Yeah. Keep it lifted. Yeah. No, I'm not changing. Yeah. 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 Oh, you hear it? It naturally comes in. Yeah. 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 And that's the same with you. On different notes, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. Mouth. Yeah. Keep the body up. Yeah. 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 Yeah, keep it bright. Yeah, a little lighter than you want. Yeah, if you're used to doing chest, keep it lighter. Yeah, 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 keep it bright and light. Yeah, lift up high. Yeah, yeah. Keep it very bright. Yeah. Yeah. Lift up, open. Yeah. 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 Keep it open. That's it. Yeah. 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 I'm stronger up here. Maybe you're still stronger down here. Kudos to you. Good, good, good. Just a few more. Keep it light and bright. Unless you just gotta do some chest down here, which it will come in. 2 more. 1 more. Okay, yeah. So I did it different ways, and on the way up, I've got a big dip where that transition is from the chest registration, chest voice, into that falsetto, the head voice, going into the mix. Okay, so I've got a big dip, so I've got to really watch out in there. A lot of you don't have that, but guess what? Everybody has something. So today, I want you to have something special for yourself. Treat yourself to singing one of the songs that you really, really love. Okay? Let me know in the comments below. What helped you today? What did you learn? Was it something that, an aha moment? Oh my gosh, I didn't know that. Were you able to support? Come out here. Were you able to keep your body up? Were you able to keep your mouth open? Let me know. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, cause it's oh, such a day. Oh, I should sing an opera for you. Such a day. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. I do sing opera though. Bye-bye.